Richard Christian Rama Gutierrez, born January 21, 1984, is an American-born Filipino actor. He is regarded as the original Fantaserye king for top-billing multiple-hit television series. Gutierrez is a recipient of a FAMAS Award and 3 PMPC Star Awards for television. In 2010, Planet Philippines won a Bronze World Medal for Environment and Ecology at the New York Festival's Television and Film Awards. In 2015, he was handpicked by the Korean producers to host the first ever pop icon search Pinoy edition Kiss Pinoy. The same year, he became the spokesperson of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts NCCA for the National Arts Month Philippine International Arts Festival, NAMPIAF. Gutierrez was also the celebrity spokesperson of Greenpeace Southeast Asia. He is also referred to as the Valentine Box Office King for headlining several box office hits like Let the Love Begin, When I Met You, My Best Friend's Girlfriend, and My Lady Boss. Richard Christian Rama Gutierrez was born on January 21, 1984, in Beverly Hills, California, United States, with his twin brother, Raymond, to actor Eddie Gutierrez, and talent manager Annabelle Rama. He has 5 siblings: Rafa, Rocky, Elvis, Raymond and Richie Paul, and 2 older half-brothers Taunton and Raymond Christopher. Controversy. In 2009, Gutierrez was charged with reckless imprudence arising from the death of his production assistant, Norman Pardo, who died in a car accident. In May 2009, Gutierrez and Pardo were driving to Manila from Siling, Cavite. Gutierrez was injured and Pardo, seated in the passenger seat, died on the spot. In August 2012, the Court of Appeals reinstated the charge of reckless imprudence resulting in homicide after it granted a petition filed by Pardo's widow seeking the nullification of the 2 resolutions that had been issued by former Justice Secretaries Agnes Devanadera and Alberto Agra, respectively. Gutierrez had several former relationships with celebrities. He was publicly dating actress Ann Curtis from 2003 to 2004 and had a long-distance relationship with model Georgina Wilson. He also previously dated Jewel Mish from 2007 to 2010. In March 2020, Gutierrez married Sarah Labati in Taguig. They have 2 sons together, Zion, born 2013, and Kai, born 2018. Labati confirmed on March 1, 2024 that she and Gutierrez were separated but are co-parenting their 2 young sons. In January 2025, Gutierrez said that they were seeking an annulment. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.